Dear students, now let us discuss another topic of this chapter, that is which date is. In this topic, we are going to discuss that which dates are important in history. In order to understand which dates are important history, again we are getting two perspectives. First is British perspective and second is Indian perspective. In British perspective, we are going to discuss the viewpoint of British historians regarding which dates are important in history. While as in Indian perspective, we are going to discuss the viewpoint of Indian historians. So, in British perspective, British historians gave vital importance to dates which are in association with the Governor Generals of Britishers. Britishers, they considered such dates important in history which were in association to their different Governor Generals. The first Governor General of Britishers in India was Warren Hastings. And last Viceroy was Lord Mountbatten. All the dates in British history books were linked to these personalities, to their activities, to their policies, achievements. It was as if there was nothing outside their lives that was important for us to know. The chronology of their lives marked the different chapters of the history of British India. The history given by British historians not helps us in any way to understand about the common people of India, their activities, their social life, their political life, their economic life. That is why we are getting another perspective, that is Indian perspective. Here we are getting the completely contradictory viewpoint of the Indian historians. The Indian historians aren't satisfied with the history given by the British historians. They considered that as biased history, favored history. According to Indian historians, dates are not important in history. It is not necessary to know that which Governor General came to rule over India on which date. So, it is most important to know that the activities of the common people during the different Governor Generals. We have to see the reaction of the people towards the British rule in India. We have to see whether the people were satisfied with the British rule or not. So, according to Indian historians, we need not to focus on governor generals, their policies, and all that. We need to focus, we need to see the British history, Indian history from the Indian perspective. We need to focus on the common people. We need to see the changes which were brought by the Britishers in their life and which adversely affected their life. This was all about this topic. Thank you.